9. Video Playback. In this video, we will add a ShowNodes video playback node to our project. A video playback node does not have I/O, nor can it play back timelines. Its sole purpose is to play back video files from a variety of formats. Playback can be controlled remotely by VenueMagick or by any show controller node. Adding a video playback node to a project is the same as adding a show controller or I/O node. First, you should plug in a monitor into the node's HDMI port using a standard HDMI connector. Then plug power into the node, followed by the network connection. When the video playback node is detected, just click OK. Now, in order to play a video file from the node, we first need to pick out a video and transfer the file to the node. And this is done using the ShowNodes file manager. Open the ShowNodes manager, and then select Tools, File Manager. The file manager lists all of the export files created for all nodes. It shows the file name, the node it belongs to, and where the file is saved to in the node. These columns tell us whether or not the export file has been updated and properly uploaded to the node. You can also set up a filter to display only a specific node or node folder. Most of these files are generated automatically by VenueMagick. What we want to do is add a file of our own. Click on Add Files. Select our video node. For folder, select Video. Click on Select Files, then browse for the video file we want to put on the node. The ShowNodes video player will support most MPEG-4 and H.624 videos. Select a video and click OK. Close the file manager. Now, run a build and upload to send the video to the file. Now we're ready to play the file. To do this, we're going to use a Q button. From the event folder in the project window, drag a ShowNodes command event into an empty Q button, and then open the Q button properties window. We'll rename the button caption, then set up the event. The ShowNodes command event takes special text commands that the node understands. Enter the following command to play our video. vplay space, then the name of the video file we uploaded earlier in quotes. If you want the video to play in a loop, add a -L to the command before the file name. Now click on the ShowNodes tab to assign the cue to the node. Click the Target ShowNodes device checkmark and select the video node. Now let's set up another Q button to stop the video. Drag over another ShowNodes command event. Rename the button and enter the command vstop. This command has no arguments. It simply stops the currently running video. You can also pause the video with vpause. The same command is used to resume a currently paused video. Now that you know how to play a video using a ShowNodes command event, keep it in mind that you can also place that event in the timeline or in the event table, and that both of those can be assigned to a node as well. And that's pretty much all we have to say about video playback nodes for now. In our next video, we'll discover how ShowNodes works with VenueMagick channel routing.